Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you how you can make money from the comfort of your home, regardless of your age, your gender, your location, and what have you. Without wasting much of your time, let's just get right into today's business. Come with me guys, let's go. So the first one on my list here is that you can sell online courses. Yes, so what you should do is to sell knowledge in an online course. If you have already gained valuable knowledge that can help other people, you can now use it to earn income. So no matter what area of expertise is, yes, what your area of expertise is, guess what? Online courses are growing in demand for professionals and even business alike. Yes, so, and in case you're not aware, there's a platform called Teachable. Guys, Teachable alone has over 7 million registered students. And you know that online platforms like Thinkific, yes, there's another one called Thinkific, they allow you publish an online course about anything at all that you want. And guess what? You can teach people how to write, how to do their taxes, how to complete necessary car repairs, or even learn emerging markets. Yes, so anything and everything, even languages. Hey, as for that language, if you can speak a second language outside of English, apart from English, let's talk. That's some money for you. And of course, once your course launches, your students will pay you, and you've built yourself a stream of income. Yes, so that's an extra stream of income. You can also provide online coaching, yes, and consulting services to make money online. Yes, so there are conferencing platforms like, of course, Zoom and even Google Meet that I use, or even just a private Facebook group. You can go live. Yes, so Facebook Live, and you can share your knowledge and expertise one-on-one or with a large group. Guys, people are looking for coaches in all subjects, from motivation to digital marketing. Plus, you can also be a consultant to individuals or even businesses in any field of expertise. Guys, the possibilities are endless. There are people who don't know how to set their goals. You can teach them, create a step-by-step guide that will help them begin to set their goals by themselves, for themselves. And see, you can sell every and anything about anything. I'm telling you, you can monetize your skills and your crafts and start to make money doing what you love. And that's the sweet part for me. I mean, there's nothing like doing something that you enjoy doing, not that you are grumbling every morning to clock in or to clock out and all that. So guys, the list is endless. Before we proceed, I'd like you guys to please introduce yourselves in comments. I'd like to know your mate, where in the world are you tuning in from, and if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for gracing your, this little girl right here. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you. God bless you real good. And yes, if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, I know I'm hyper. Before you say so, if I do say so myself. So let me introduce myself as well. My name is Mary. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, you know how it is now. It's all about winning big goal. We are here to win. And like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. Guys, are you someone that did well in school? Did you actually do well in school? Were you a religious note taker? Do you know that you can sell your college notes online? Yes, or maybe you are even a current student, or you are a parent that is doing homeschooling or helping your kids with their lessons. Why not become an online tutor for other kids and provide online tutoring for other kids? For instance, you can join an online tutoring platform like Preply to become a tutor and help students learn different languages. Guess what, guys? Are you a fitness expert? Do you love to work out? You are no longer limited to coaching and training local people in person. You can become an online personal trainer. Yes, so if you're a nutritionist or a dietitian, do you know you can also do this online? You don't even have to be a licensed nutritionist. See, if you are self-taught and you can provide genuine value, you can make a livable income from your skills. There's someone I know that actually spent years researching nutrition, and she created a program based on her experience and her knowledge. Guys, with just a simple landing page, she successfully sells her knowledge online. What she'll do is to join the social investment network. That's another way for you to make money, I'm telling you. And in case you're not aware, social investment networks allow you to collaborate with other traders. Yes, you can make informed trades, and you can use online tools to track all of your stocks, your index funds, and of course cryptocurrency. There are some good social investment networks that I'm going to introduce you guys to. One of them is Personal Capital. Yes, it is commonly known as the wealth management for the internet age. Yes, of course in the trading circles. Personal Capital helps you in your financial investments through an intelligent, data-driven management approach. Now, they did not pay me to do this ad for them. I'm just telling you from my own experience. Some of their key features allow users to have a clear real-time view of their entire financial life. They also provide smart insights that help you predict your financial future. They also offer full financial planning, and they are credible. Yes, they're a trustworthy source for comparing rates, and yeah, rightly so. The best part is that you can get instant and accurate results without paying a single dime. It is most helpful even for students that are searching for loans, because it specializes in helping them find the best possible option. Another one is Credible. Yes, Credible also helps students get better deals and refinance their loans. Guys, another way to make money this year is to build a blog. Yes, for affiliate marketing. See, starting a blog is not a new advice, but you know, the traditional path to riches recommends launching a blog, growing your traffic, and also adding Google AdSense ads on your sites. This strategy can work. Yes, so don't worry about the ads. Yes, even if your audience finds it annoying, guys, this is why so many people use ad blocking tools. Yes, and just so you know, some affiliate programs pay per lead. So if your website has relevant traffic in the finance or even in the home improvement niches, many of these companies will pay for leads that you send to them. You know, for example, roofing companies and other contractors, they're always looking for new local customers. And the same thing applies to niches like senior blogging. Whether you're in your 50s, your 60s, or beyond 60s, there is something out there for everyone. Now you can go and start creating and selling your digital products on your website, and also get other affiliates to promote for you. For example, you can offer your loyal followers podcasts, videos, tutorials, or magazine subscriptions, and you can also sell your ebooks. You can sell templates, you can sell guidelines, yes, online calculators, software programs, or even a membership site. Guys, I have an affiliate opportunity for you. If you're interested, watch this video all the way to the end, and I have a giveaway. Any digital products that you can think of, yes, you can create it and sell it to your audience, as long as it provides them with real value. Now, the goal is to get started on WordPress with a web hosting company like Bluehost. So next thing is to begin generating content and getting backlinks with guest blogging to build up domain authority and traffic. Now you can use a tool like Google Keyword Planner to help you understand potential traffic for different niche ideas. While the forecast impression results use data from paid ads, they also work as a great indicator of whether or not a niche will be accessible. Once you have chosen your niche, go ahead and select a reliable and affordable hosting platform like Bluehost. Set up your WordPress website. Then all you need, to do is to start creating blog posts and offering your reviews and digital products everywhere. Please, for you to make a real amount of money with this approach, you have to be consistent, and then you have to use various platforms to sell products. Yes, you can do that. How many online platforms can you think of? A dozen, 100, or even more? Guys, some small businesses are still putting together all of their eggs in one basket and focusing only on one platform. Guys, it doesn't matter what you're selling. Yeah, marketing is the way of the future. You need to sell across various online platforms. In fact, all major platforms where your customers are. Don't just become an eBay seller and leave it at that. Don't just put your products on Amazon or put your products on Etsy and leave it. No, launch your own e-commerce store. Start using Amazon FBA. Sell directly through social media platforms, which includes, of course, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. Market your products and services on Craigslist. Yes, if you're selling something crafty, go ahead and sell it on Etsy. Don't also overlook niche platforms that are relevant to your industry. So if you're a designer, you can include 99 Designs, Dribbble, Society 6 as sites to join. Yes, to find sites that are relevant to you, do a quick Google search, and Google will also recommend some sites that you can join depending on your own field of expertise. And I hope that with these few points of mind, I've been able to convince you are not confused. You can start your online business and start to make money from the comfort of your home. So guys, here is how to win my giveaway. So first is I'm giving out $100 cash gifts to anyone wherever you are in the world. All you need to do is this: go ahead and add 50 of your friends to my Telegram community. Yes, we have launched our Telegram community, so find the link in the description as well as in the comments. Share that link with 50 of your friends. Come back to this video. Make sure that 50 people join, so you can share it with 200 people or 1,000 people. Hopefully 50 people will join. Yeah, so make sure that 50 people have joined. Then come back to this video, let me know, and then I'm going to ask for your details and transfer $100 to you, and that's on period. So if you have any questions for me, let me know in the comments. And if you have not introduced yourself yet, my God is watching you. I'd like to know your me too. I wasn't joking. go ahead and introduce yourselves. How did you find my video? Let me know. And yes, if you have any question for me, let me know in the comments. You guys asked and I listened, and now we have money making videos on this channel outside of grant. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. In case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing, and I am super duper proud of you. Alright guys, take care of yourselves and go to express, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care guys, bye for now, love you, bye guys.
Mariam Adepaju.